Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to change your Microsoft account email. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, you have to open your Microsoft account, then click on your information, and click on edit account information. And here is the email changing option. So this is my primary email address, we can't change it. So to change the email address, first of all we need to add a new email. So click on add email, and from here you can create a new email address and add it as an alias, or you can add an existing email address as a Microsoft account alias. So I'm going to select this one and I'm pasting my email address here, and after putting my email address, clicking on add alias, and here we can see I have successfully added a new email address. So after adding the new email, you have to verify the new email address, and after verifying you can make the new email primary, and after making the new email primary you can remove the old email from here. So this was how we can change our Microsoft account email. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.